Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali back here again with another video for you guys, and today's video is actually going to be another declutter video because my last declutter video actually did really well on my channel and I peeped that you guys liked it, so I was like, ooh, let me do another one because your girl just came back from school. I brought most of my clothes back home, so I have a whole bunch of stuff to sell, so I'm going to link down below my Depop account because I did make one. I'm going to be selling on Depop, and yeah. And then I came back with hella stuff and I don't know where to put it because I just don't know where to put it. And then also my makeup, it's literally a mess and there's stuff that I haven't used in years and it's probably like expired if like some of the stuff does expire or whatever. So I'm gonna be decluttering that. You guys are gonna watch that. And yeah, and another thing that I have for you guys is if you guys, I don't know if you guys have heard of Casely. Casely is this company and they sell cases for your iPhones, whatever phone you have, you know. And yeah, so they're really cute cases. This is my case, so she's a cutie or whatever. And you guys can actually use my code CASNarali. I'll put the name right here, and you can use that code on your purchase and get 25% off. So I got you guys. And yeah, that's basically it. But enough of me talking, let's jump right into the video and start decluttering this makeup.
This is my makeup desk right now. It's literally a mess. This is where all my makeup is at, and then I'll have all of that, and then there's some in there, and then there's some like over there, and then like I just have to organize this because it gives me anxiety looking at it. Like, what is all of this? Like, this is literally empty. I don't know why it's there. And yeah, I'm trying to get myself together and actually, you know, clean stuff out. So this will be fun. Right now I'm just gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna get some bags, and it's basically gonna be a bag to throw stuff out, and then whatever I don't use or want that's still like able to work, I'm just gonna save it and give it to like my mom or my sister. So yeah, let's go downstairs and do that. And I got two bags, one's to throw stuff out and one's to either keep / give to my mom, and then everything else I'm gonna organize.
So first things first, I start off by taking all the makeup and the organizers out of my drawers because it was literally a mess in there, and there's literally all those concealers and stuff that are empty in there. And then I take some Windex and I spray inside because it looked really crusty, and not all of it got off, and I literally scrubbed so much, so I just gave up at one point. But I tried my best. I cleaned the containers and everything out because everything was so dirty because I don't remember last time I cleaned this. And then I'm like dusting off some of my makeup, and I basically just organize it in there. I put like eyeshadows in one container, lipsticks in another, and then it just slowly got filled up like this.
Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. I'm gonna organize it a little bit more once I get my makeup organizers from school. I have lipsticks right here. Don't mind my hands, I've just been swatching like crazy. I have beauty blenders here, even though I'm missing my actual beauty blender. Like, it's black and I don't know where I had it, but I did my makeup this morning, but whatever. Then I have some like little perfumes there, even though I don't know why I have those together, but I just didn't know where else to put them. Then I have this like color correcting thing. I have loose pigments here. I have little eyeshadow palettes, and then like liquid eyeshadows here, and like these 3 loose pigments because they didn't fit there. Then I have my highlighters back here. This goes with the eyeshadow stuff. Then I have more lipsticks here. I'm gonna take the ones that I use the most and I'm gonna put them in the makeup organizers that I have. Then I have bronzers, blushes, a little highlighter because it didn't fit up there. I have mascara down here, and then this blush because it didn't fit there, and then eyeliners, stuff like that. Then over here I have like face stuff, so I have concealer, then I have 3 foundations, the only 3 foundations that I have really. Then I have powder, again, that I really use, powder, translucent powder. Then I have brow stuff here. Then I have my primers over here, and then some like makeup removers and stuff under there, and that's how I have this organized. But it's going to be, I mean, right now I think this looks great, to be honest, compared to how it was. So, but it's gonna look better when I have my makeup organizers because there's gonna be less cluttered stuff. And here I have a bag of stuff that I'm throwing out, And here I have the bag of stuff that I'm gonna give to my mom. Then up here, which I'm going to hang on my wall, I have like makeup palettes, like the big makeup palettes, and then this contouring thing. Then I have all my lashes in here, and I have highlighting palettes here. Most of them are in there, and then any eyeshadow palettes that didn't fit in here, because yeah. And that's basically how I'm doing. And then now I just have to clean this desk off because she's a little messy, as you guys can tell. Yeah, so I can clean this desk, and then I'm gonna have my dad hang these up. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today because I don't know where he's at right now, but I'm gonna do them eventually. And then when I get my makeup organizers, this video will be completely done. But like, I'm so proud of this. Like, guys, this is honestly like organization goals. Like, what? Bruh. Damn. Alright.
So here's just a little clip of my dad hanging up my palette holder thing on my wall. Shout out to you. Thank you, Dad. I appreciate you so much.
Alright, so clearly this is a mess down here. So I'm just going to, hold on, first.
So here I'm just clearing everything off my desk and wiping it down because she was really dirty and I hadn't been home in a while, so there was so much dust, and I just Windex her down and clean her all up.
Hi guys, so it is actually a couple of weeks later. I finally went to school and got all my containers and stuff, and I actually only got to get this one because I had the other one, but I don't know where my mom put it or I put it, or I don't know. So I put my favorite makeup on here. You know, I have like my face stuff and like brow stuff, whatever. And then now I'm just gonna add my brushes in there. And don't mind my appearance, my nails look a mess. I'm literally wearing sweatpants and glasses and no makeup because this is the quarantine life, literally. But my makeup is looking so nice. I'm surprised that it's been a couple weeks and she still looks nice. I mean, I did organize her a little bit for like, you know, this clip because, you know, I'm decluttering my makeup. But this is how the inside of my drawers look. So this is what it's looking like so far. And I put those little lights back there because I thought they looked really cute. And yeah, so now let's just get my brushes together.
So right here, I'm just taking my makeup brushes and putting them into the container that I brought from school. And I'm also putting my lip glosses and lipsticks, my favorite ones, in the container as well. And then this is some of the before. Obviously, it was a mess. You guys saw at the beginning. And this is the after. So this is the final look of my desk and all my makeup cleaned up.
Alright, my loves, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed me decluttering my makeup. You know, it took a lot of work and effort for sure because I got rid of some stuff and then I had to go pick up my stuff from school so I can actually organize it and all that. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon down there to get notified every single time I post. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!